What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube shoe unboxing. Here we have a pair of St. Laurent's YSL sneakers. These are pretty special. They come with sneaker bags. Here's number one. And here's the second one. I'm sure you've seen these sneakers before in a magazine or on TV or on Instagram, more likely. These are called the I believe they're called the Wally. The Wally Soft in a Nero or black colorway. It says Saint Laurent Paris. Gold font right there. Gonna show you how these look on foot. And just a reminder, StockX has some high-end stuff for sale. So if you're wondering where you can get some high-end stuff, check out the link in the description to make a cop on StockX. The bottoms get dirty really fast. Like, these have never been worn outside, but they're kind of messy. This is like an entirely leather shoe. Pretty cool if you ask me. Let's check out how they look on foot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I think these are pretty cool. Great little sneaker if you ask me. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.